Hey guys, what's up? So today we've got a pretty cool unboxing video. I already opened the tape, so that way it was just easy to open, because I couldn't find my normal, like my pocket knife. I don't know what to do with it. Anyway, so let's just go ahead and get into it. This is something that is pretty cool that I'm excited to see. And a few people have already asked me if I've got one, or if I got one. So, and with the release of the HO scale video, this is kind of ironic because it's something you would have thought to be in the HO scale video. So this will get its own video. This is just the unboxing. I'm not going to like deep dive into it, but you can probably see what it is. So this is a new release from a I think they just do HO scale stuff. I could be wrong. But they make HO scale stuff, and I believe they're based out of Germany. I think it's Brekina. I could be wrong on that pronunciation. But anyways, so this is the school bus version. There's also an army bus, a police bus that has NYPD on it, and then like a hippie bus. As expensive as these are right now, I only bought the school bus. And I was surprised to find a seller that was in the USA. So most of them you are buying from Europe. Like, that's where they're at, because obviously it's a model from a German-based model maker. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it out just so we can look at it. But this does come with mirrors, and I believe, yeah, so, oh, stuff's falling out. But it does come with stop signs, which one looks like it's opened, like you could have it in an open position. And it also comes with mirrors, which I will do a better review on this, in the future, and compare it with the other HO scale buses. But this is basically the bus. I'm not gonna get into it too much, just because, like I said, I'm gonna do a video in the future. So far, I'm pleased with it. I mean, it looks really good. The body itself, I know it looks very Bluebird up front and with the door, but when you go past the door, I mean, that to me looks like Ward. Now the way this window is right here, that also kind of looks Bluebird, and you got the little covering for the window that also looks Bluebird. But the back of this bus is undeniably a Ward. So that's kind of like my issue with it, and I know they did that so they wouldn't have to pay for licensing outside of the chassis being a Dodge. But I kind of wish it was more distinct towards one manufacturer and not like in between, because part of me wants to call it a Ward, the other part of me is like, Bluebird. But personally, I think I'm going to go with Ward, because I just think the rear end looks like a Ward. So I'm going to go with a Ward on this one. But we'll get more into that when I do the actual video on this. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Watch out for the review. I will be comparing it with the HO Scale CE and the Herpa Bluebird. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. And yeah.